We're here at Hannover Messe 2022 showing off Quantum RTLS. It's ZeroKey's second generation indoor location technology, accurate down to 1.5 millimeters. The big difference between other location technologies, this one's based on ultrasound. That allows us to get much more precise and accurate with our location. And we use that to basically provide operational visibility like we've never seen before. What we have behind me is actually a little pop-up factory to demonstrate a kitting process and an assembly process, all being integrated together with the positioning technology.
You see a lot of exhibits that do show off some impressive uses of technology, but we've decided to go with a completely live demo that integrates many different factors, many different uses of our technology, and even integrates with other things such as robotics and tools.
We're wearing sensors on our wrists, and we've equipped the whole space with our ZeroKey positioning system. You can see on the right-hand side, it's a real-time digital twin of my hand movements. It's going to give me step-by-step instructions on what I'm supposed to be doing, and it won't advance to the next step unless it detects that I did the current one properly based off the locations of my hands.
The really exciting thing about this is now, instead of humans having to tell the machines what they're doing in the environment, we're actually getting that information in real time from the positioning system, so the machines are understanding what the humans are doing and responding in real time.
Now what I'm going to do is pick up this tray and place it on the AGV. Another safety feature we put in here is that this robot is not going to move until it detects that my hands are far away. So we can walk around over to that bench. And then the same thing, it's going to give me step-by-step instructions on what I'm supposed to be doing to put all these parts together. By tracking the movements of somebody going through this process, we can actually tell them in real time if they did it wrong, or it's not going to advance them through the process if they didn't do it correctly. Now it's asking me to tighten the bolts, but it's asking me to tighten them in a specific sequence. But I want to show you what would happen if I went to the wrong one. So if I go to, say, this one here, sure enough, it gave me an error. It's not going to the next step because it knows that I did not go to the right bolt. Now if I go to the correct side, I've advanced through all the steps, and it can detect that I did it all properly based off location. And now I finished building a pump successfully.
I think a lot of people are shocked to see the accuracy we achieve. I think they're even more shocked to see how we keep going through the demo, even incorporating tools for things like bolt sequencing. Each step of the process really continues to blow them away.
One of the biggest trends that's happening today, and you see it all over Hannover Messe, is being able to digitize environments and being able to bring new data sets to clients. The great thing for us, and we're highlighting it with some of our brand new form factors like a new wristband and a new very small trackable, we're really being able to show clients what they didn't know could be done.